Hi, I'm Teresha Young, Relationship Master Coach, and welcome to your Making Moves Motivation. For today's motivation, I would like you to think about whether you are being empathetic. Now, empathy is one of those words that we hear a lot. And there's this misconception that empathy means that you have to be highly sensitive, highly emotional. But I'm here to break that misconception now because empathy is actually a gift. So stay tuned because in this video, I'll be sharing 3 key tips on how you can show more empathy and make it one of your superpowers. Empathy is very different to sympathy. Brene Brown, who is a well-known researcher, has explained the difference between the two. And if you search online Brene Brown, empathy versus sympathy, you'll be able to find a short video explaining the difference between the two. But why is it important to show empathy? What is empathy? Well, empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's the ability to imagine what it would be like to be in that person's situation. But why is it helpful to show empathy? Because it feels good to be heard and understood. It can really help to strengthen our relationships with other people, whether that be romantic, whether that be friendships, family, professional. And also it can help you to make decisions regarding things in your life that will impact on yourself and also other people. Now, empathy is a skill that strengthens with practice. And there are so many elements and components to empathy, which includes the art of listening. If you've not already checked out my video on how to truly listen, I would encourage you to do so because I share some action steps to help you to hone in on that art of listening. As well as this video, I am now about to share with you 3 key tips on how to show empathy in your interactions with others. However, before I continue, if you've not already subscribed to this channel, then remember to do so and turn your notifications on by clicking that bell so you don't miss out on more life-transforming content to live your best life. And if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to today's topic. Tip number 1, opening up. It's about sharing vulnerabilities and emotional connection. Now, you don't have to give your whole life story or talk about the fallout you had with Auntie Peggy last week, but it's about sharing a bit about your story, similar experiences you've had, or what you have witnessed from other people's experiences and stories. It can really help to build the trust and connection between you and another person. Empathetic statements such as, "Oh, I know, I care. Nobody should have to go through that. It sounds like you're in a difficult place right now. Tell me more about it." Like you, I'm frustrated, I'm hurt by, I'm worried too. Or, I've been there and it really hurts. Tip 2 is to withhold judgment to gain a deeper understanding of the person's perspective. Do your best not to question whether the situation is good or bad. Instead, try to see the situation from their world. Do your best to step aside, put your stuff to one side, and to be able to put yourself in their shoes. I've done a video on We All Make Mistakes, which talks about judgment, and again, another video that I would encourage you to check out. Tip 3 is to offer help. It shows that you are seeing what another person is going through and you want to make life a little easier for them. It shows that you are willing to take the time to do something for another person without asking for anything in return. You may be able to help them personally, or it may be a case that you refer them onto a support group, another person, a piece of information, or a resource that can help them through that time. So to recap, 3 key tips on how to show empathy in your interactions with others are: 1, opening up; 2, withhold judgment; and 3, offer help. Now, these are only a few examples, but fundamental ones to help you to show that you are showing empathy in your interactions with others, to show that you have a listening and caring ear. Because when we feel heard listened to, when we feel cared about, and when we feel acknowledged and understood, we can forge better relationships with other people. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Have you had any situations where you feel that you wish somebody had shown you more empathy? Are you empathetic yourself? Let's talk about this. Drop a comment below. Again, I'm Teresha Young, your relationship master coach, and I'm here to help us to connect, evolve, and rise together so that you are truly able to have the fullness of love, life, and relationships that you desire and deserve. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.